So my name is Stephen Perry, and I'm the founder and CEO of Kymanox. Kymanox works in life science, and we're in 4 major sectors: bio, pharma, device, and combination products. What's unique about the Kymanox team, which ultimately makes up the Kymanox culture, is that we are well-rounded, T-shaped professionals. This means we can cover a broad range of topics, but when necessary, drill down really, really deep on an individual topic to solve an individual problem.
So our team has a vast level of experiences from a few years out of college all the way through multiple decades of experiences from early design and development, bringing a product from a concept on a napkin all the way through the development lifecycle into an approval and post-market surveillance of a product, really understanding all the nuances and challenges and hurdles of bringing a product to the market.
When you look at our corporate values, those were very purposeful. Quality, we have to do good work, and we have to do quality work that individuals can trust and know that it is going to be authentic, real, right first time, and it's going to be able to support them in their journey of getting their product to the market and know it's not going to have any mistakes. The second is integrity. When we say we're going to do something, we have to do it. And it's really, really important we are honest if there are concerns or challenges that these companies are going to face. And finally, gratitude. We have to be thankful that we are in an industry that can impact patients' lives. We have to be thankful for the clients that come to us, and thankful that we can, be in a position to support one another and work for a company where we have so many opportunities to work on a diverse set of projects. We do those 3 things: focus on quality, maintain our integrity, and we're thankful and have gratitude for all that we do, then that's going to give us an extremely strong reputation, not just externally into the industry, but also internally for our people.
When I first started working at Kymanox, I was very drawn with the people that work here. Everyone is so experienced and knowledgeable, and yet so modest and sweet. And what they practice to clients, they actually practice with coworkers and colleagues, and they see everyone as one team. That's what I've always done, so it's like, wow, there are coworkers that are like me.
I think what makes our culture is there's a bunch of individuals here that want to come together and rally around an impact on patients' lives. Even if it's a part of the process, it's the end of the process, it's the regulatory means, it's the human factors on how they're going to engage with an item, that's going to deliver, life-saving medicines. When you can rally together about that, it changes the culture. And what I see in this culture is a bunch of people that want to come together and see good work done, and at the end of the day, enjoy each other's company. And I think that relentless pursuit of each other shows how we can then relentlessly pursue our customers.
I really have enjoyed my role here at Kymanox, and what's most near and dear to my heart is being one of the co-leaders of Kymanox Cares. I love working for Kymanox Cares because we're able to really extend this beautiful ripple effect of kindness to various nonprofits in all of our hubs. Not only are we making a difference with patients and saving lives, that's what we do. That's what keeps the lights on, right? We are really listening to what's important to each individual employee. We take their feedback seriously and we amplify what's important to them.
The number one reason a person would want to work at Kymanox is that they want to be a part of an extraordinary team doing extraordinary things, making major difference in patients' lives.
The people they get to interact with and the diverse projects that they get to work on is unparalleled in the industry. I can't think of another company that has the diverse set of services that we get to provide companies and the types of talent that they get to work with on all of these different projects.
So the future of Kymanox is bright and it's exciting. And what I'm personally excited about is the scalability of our model and the autonomy of our people to be able to deliver our model across the globe.
Because patients deserve better.
Because the patient deserves better.
The patient deserves better.
Because patients deserve better.